Manual Cost Update. In order to modify your campaign cost in Volume, go to the Campaigns tab. Highlight a campaign for which you want to update costs by single-clicking on the campaign name. Click the Update Cost button. In the Manual Cost Updating window, choose the time range that you want to update the cost for. Next, choose the appropriate time zone from the drop-down list. In the Cost field, specify the cost amount. Make sure that the time range, time zone, and cost correlates to what is recorded on the source. Hit Save. Based on the number of visits recorded for a chosen time range, Volume will divide the cost and apply it on the per-visit basis and won't be drilled down to a granular level. If you want to revert the cost, choose the campaign from the list and click the Update Cost button. Select the time range and the time zone that you want to restore the cost value for. Tick the Restore Cost box. Click Save. This will revert the values that were registered before the Update Cost feature was used. Remember that Manual Cost Update can be performed up to 15 times for a given hour. This applies also to restoring costs. After that, you will not be able to update or restore the cost for this hour. Thank you for watching.